A 35-year-old man from China. His name is Mr. Tiger. This person has been viral online for the past few days because he has created something that no one dares to do. Today we will see his madness. Once, he used to run a small construction business, but suddenly he left everything and returned to his village home. And there, he made a strange decision. Today, he will cut a mountain and build a house for himself inside it. He starts with some very simple tools, a jackhammer and a diamond gold drill. With these two, he slowly starts cutting hard rock and making space inside. Days go by, nights go by. Time passes one by one. After about 6 weeks, meaning on the 55th day, it is seen that he has already started installing a door and is also making a small window. He uses a round saw, drill, plug, and hammer to cut the huge stone block, and a simple spade to remove the pieces of stone that come out. Then comes an important step, removing the large stone column in the middle. This is not easy, but slowly he cuts it out. The interesting thing is that the round stone pieces that come out are used as wheels, and he cuts the bottom of that column to make it like a table. When there is a little space inside, he starts to make the layout of the house. He plans everything, where everything will be, on which side. After the 258th day, the place looks completely different. He spray paints the stone with design marks. Then he uses a laser level to make the floor perfectly flat and remove the faults. It is not an easy task to use a jackhammer. It takes a lot of strength and control. But this house is not just for living. He wants to make it more beautiful. So he cuts stones on the wall and builds it with tree branches. He carefully aligns each brick so that the entire wall is perfect. When the wall is finished, he installs the door frame. Then he installs the door. Where you can live, you can live. Then he also upgrades the entrance staircase by making it bigger. He builds big steps with bricks and cement. He builds a small fish pond in the garden, which makes the whole place more peaceful and beautiful. Then he builds a shelf that holds the round shape of a tree. Using a level, he makes sure that everything is straight. Now he starts building the kitchen. He builds a traditional stove. There is a fire pit on top, an ash pit on the bottom, and a chimney to let the smoke out. After 20 months of work, this is the result. The whole project is almost finished, but he still thinks it will take him another year to finish it completely. If you want to see how his project turned out, write a second part and comment. Thanks.